Hi guys, I was working on a project and I got this issue when I'm clearing my cache. So I'm going to clear this again, and this one is my Laravel application. And when I'm clearing its cache using this command php artisan cache clear, so I'm getting this issue: fail to clear cache. Make sure you have appropriate permission. So then I thought that what kind of permission is this? The directory permission? No, it's not the directory permission. And so even you can also google this and you can find this answer from the Stack Overflow. Okay, I'm copying this out and going to the web browser. I haven't opened the web browser, so let me open the web browser. Basically it's one this solution is simple, but I want to also show you on the Stack Overflow because it's asked too many times 5 years ago. And you can see this: if data directory doesn't exist in storage slash framework slash cache, so then you will have this error. So now what's the solution to create the data directory inside the cache? So just go to your application. Here in the storage, after the storage you need to go to the framework, and after the framework there is a cache directory. Go inside, and this wouldn't contain the data directory, so that's why we are facing this issue. So just create a new new directory here, data. That's it, you don't need to do anything else. Go back and run this command again, and yes, you can see this, it's now saying that php artisan application cache cleared. I'm going to run this again. So you can see this, it's now cleared and our application is able to clear the caches. So in this way you can resolve this problem. If you want to get more videos like this, subscribe this channel and stay tuned.